Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change the language on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Now, go to the left panel, you will see the option of Time and Language. Click on this and you will see the option of Language and Region. Click on this and you will see the first option which says Windows Display Language. If your desired language is already installed, just pick it from the list. If not, click on the Add Language. Then you have to choose the language, and once you find it, just select it and then click on Next. Set as my window display language and then click on the Install button. Now, once the installation is complete, move the new language to the top of the list. Finally, select it from the drop down, and Windows will switch to that language. And that's it, you have successfully changed the display language on your Windows computer. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.